Hello everyone, this is Uncle Frank, hoping everyone is doing well, and I'm going to present to you another character from the Spidey universe. This is gonna be Miles Morales. So, just like the way we did with Spidey, we're going to start by measuring the size of 3 heads. So I marked these 4 lines, and then I'm gonna start with an oval for the head. That should be 1/3 of the total size. So after that, I just marked a line to indicate the pose or movement, if you will. I made a kind of box to indicate he has an athletic body. So here are the legs with big feet. So he's gonna have his hands around his waist. And these are the shoulders. They're important to give the character some personality and movement. Okay, now I connect the shoulders to the hands with 2 cylinders. And I start marking the middle of the face. Okay, after the eyes are done, I start marking the webbing on his uniform. So I start working on the hands to see if I can give them some more detail. They don't have to be so true to life now, so I'm gonna do the best I can with little time. Okay, some more webbing on his feet and boots. Okay, it's basically done. Now let me get the thick marker to reinforce the external lines. And now all the rest is gonna be black. Now you can see that there is absolutely no way a red marker is going to show through the black one. So I decided to go with my acrylic paints. Well, at least when it's wet, it's kind of visible. Not sure what it's gonna look like when it's dry. Okay, it looks pretty visible to me. I hope it's visible to you too. And here I just use my pencil to give the eye some shading. Alright, so it's ready. Here's our Miles Morales, and I hope you have enjoyed the video. Well, if you like this one and if you want to see some more of our videos, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope to see you next time, my friends. Goodbye.